Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today we're going to be talking about Terra Classic and Terra 2.0. If you have not been paying attention to the official Twitter page, a lot of things are starting to go live as you will be able to send Lunar 2.0 through different blockchains. This is really good, able to open up doors for other people. At the same time, a lot of people are starting to support Terra 2.0 rather than being against it, and Kucoin might not be getting into a serious problem. Before we get into all of this, if you're here for the first time, you do want to stay up to date with everything to do with Terra Luna, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button right there, slap a like on the video. It is completely free to do so. It will just help the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people. More people see the incredible side of Luna, they decide to buy into it starts spiking up, all of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Other than that, let's get straight into it. So to begin with today's video, before we look at Lunar Classic, I want to show you guys something really interesting. So Terra 2.0, you guys know, is live. Now Terra official Twitter page just made this announcement. Terra Bridge V2 is now live on Terra mainnet using Elixir and also Cosmos. With V2, users can transfer assets to from Terra 2.0, Ethereum, Osmosis, Secret, Cosmos, and Juno. Now these are different, obviously, blockchain that you guys will be able to transfer from and to, which is really good because this was able to be done with obviously Terra Classic. When this was announced, or Terra 2.0 was released, there was nothing that was able to be done, but they have just made this announcement about 12 to 16 hours ago, and it's really good to see that there is other communities that are starting to help Terra 2.0 get back onto its feet. Personally, I feel like the market is just in a downtrend right now because we are all obviously in a bear trend. That's why the whole market is causing Terra 2.0 to also not have an explosive move forward. If we do decide to look at this, you can see Terra is sitting close to $6. It is down close to 3% today, which isn't significant compared to what sort of moves we have seen with Luna in the past week. Now before we carry on, I just want to talk to you guys about Kucoin. If you have not heard of it, it is one of the largest crypto trading platform in the world. They were one of the first people to actually list Terra 2.0. You're able to trade pretty much any crypto you want, and they have a lot more listing compared to Binance and stuff like that. Now the best feature of Kucoin for myself is the Kucoin bot, which you can set up if you want to know where you want to set the limit buy orders, limit sell order, and the bot will do all the work for you. This is my personal favorite feature. It is super secure. They have two-step verification, email verification. If you also want to leverage trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, that is possible. They have one of the fastest listing team in my opinion, and on CoinMarketCap, they're the 5th most reliable exchanges in the world, and they have close to 2 billion trading volume in the last 24 hours. If you do want to check them out, the link will be in the description. Personally, I use Kucoin as well. Other than that, let's get back into the video. But at the same time, the trading volume is down 60%, which is significant, as yesterday we were sitting close to 500 million and right now it is close to 200 million. Keep in mind, it's not good, but at the same time, it is much higher compared to a lot of other tokens, as the whole market is in a bear trend. A lot of people are leaving the market. That includes a lot of Bitcoin holders and Ethereum holders, so be very cautious when you are trading everything. And if you do decide to look at Lunar Classic, you guys can see the trend is a very stable one. Yes, it seems like it is a slight downtrend, but if you do decide to look at the bottom supports that has tested previously, it has been testing a very strong support close to 10 and 9, but it did fall below to 8.5 just about 6 to 7 hours ago, but it did have a recovery and again is sitting on the support close to 9. This is not a bad thing at all, because if it does decide to just consolidate for a little bit of time, in the time Bitcoin, Ethereum, every major altcoin is able to recover, maybe Lunar Classic could have a very extreme explosive move forward and a lot of people will not actually see it coming. Another thing which is suggesting something really positive is let's just say the circulating supply is going up, but it is not going up very quickly. They are trying to slow it down as the burn rates are starting to slowly climb up, and at the same time the minting process has been slowed down. Right now we are sitting close to 541, but it is heading closer to 542. The trading volume is down significantly. It's sitting close to 100 million, and the trading volume to the market cap ratio is 17%, which is not something a lot of you guys want to see. I completely understand. Now, Huobi Global providing profit opportunity during a crypto winter, and this is really interesting because after the airdrop and everything was done with Terra 2.0, Huobi is starting to do some things towards Terra and trying to actually help the people who are going to be holding onto Terra and the people who have lost a lot of money. I mean, right now the market is very clearly in a winter. It's not doing something crazy. But at the same time, is Huobi doing something to help? 100%, as they are going to be giving a good APY. Another thing is Terra Classic leads the most trading crypto despite dropping further 30% this week. I mean, this just shows how well Terra Classic and Terra 2.0 are doing in general, because it is getting so much attention from the whole of the crypto investing market. And you can see it is one of the most traded crypto in the world right now, which is a really good thing, because that means over time a lot of people will decide to go into the buy orders, and that could mean that the sort of movement we will see will be very explosive. And I know a lot of people want to see explosive moves so they can make the most profit from it, and the explosive could be up or down, so be a little cautious. Do check your leverage trades and make sure it is something that you can hold on to long term. Another thing is Jump Crypto shares details on UST and Lunar FISCO. Now, they actually blame the low liquidity on the curve, at the same time abandoning Anchor Protocol. So right now Anchor Protocol is not in the best. I know some of you guys did decide to put your money into Anchor Protocol. I personally think that over time it might be able to recover, but because it is trying to stay on the Terra Classic blockchain, they're in a very bad spot. If they did decide to recover, it would be very surprising. At the same time, if they did decide to use their reserves when the depegging initially happened on the 7th of May, this all could have been saved. We would have not need to look into Terra 2.0, rather Terra Classic would have just stayed at Luna, and none of this would have happened in general. I mean, this is just so clear, but it's so sad at the same time. Users can now transfer Luna from Terra 2.0 to Ethereum, and this was actually also posted by the Crypto Basics, and this is clearly confirming that all of this is going to be doing very well in the coming future. And finally, I want to talk to you guys about the price prediction. So yes, Kucoin may not go to prison, which is really good for the market. Luna 2.0 price has made a comeback from its recent slump and started a recovery overnight. Kucoin could face civil penalties, fines from regulators, and lawsuit instead of prison time. So obviously this is going to be having a positive impact on Luna 2.0, as if there was some sort of prison involved, that could have been super negative and a lot of people would have lost trust. Analysts identify rising channel formation in Luna 2.0 price chart, predict a continuism of Terra's uptrend. So the uptrend may carry on, and because Kucoin will be there to back it up, it is obviously going to be much better in Luna 2.0. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. I hope you did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.